Alright, hi guys. Yes, nagla-live na naman ako ulit. You know what? Because wala nang walang ibang magawa because it's rainy day. Hindi ako makakalabas sa bahay masyado. So guys, alam niyo na bakit ako nagla-live at alam niyo na kung anong gusto kong pag-usapan. Yes. You know what? Why I like to talk about being atheist and that because I want to express our feelings, our emotion being an atheist. Because sa lahat ng mga tao na makakarinig about atheism is maraming mga pinagsasabi. Atheism daw ay hindi normal, mga baliw. Atheism daw ay, ang atheist daw ay masama. Naniwala ni Satanas. Hindi kami naniwala ni Satanas, hindi kami naniwala ni God. Hindi kami naniwala sa paniniwala nyo, lahat ng mga religion, ganun. Mga guys, so that's why I'm talking about this. Because I want to express our emotion, I want to express our reason why. Because, usually the people reaction, usually people comment about atheists. This is bad people. Atheism is satanism. No. In fact, atheist is a lack of belief of any deities or any gods. Ang ibig sabihin ng mga atheist, ang atheism ay walang paniniwala sa mga Diyos or mga Diyos tulad ng mga Jehovah, yung Jesus Christ, yung si Buddhism, Judaism, mga lahat ng mga nasa religion. That's it, because a lack of evidence or walang ebidensya. Yun lang. And then, yes, of course, usually na maririnig ko sa mga tao, kung walang Diyos, bakit sinong gumagawa sa lahat ng bagay? Sinong gumagawa sa buong mundo? Sinong gumagawa sa nature, sa earth, Well, guys, it's not our obligation to answer that, and you know what? It's not our duty to explain that. Either kung may gumagawa man o wala, okay. And then, you know what? As long as we don't believe any gods and your belief, that because your belief is a lack of evidence or no absolute evidence, a lot of error, a lot of impossibility, a lot of mistakes, your religion is nonsense for me. Really nonsense. So, that's it guys. Wala kami pakialam kung may gumagawa ba sa everything or sa universe or wala. And it is not our duty to explain that as long as we don't believe your claim na may Diyos na may gumagawa na. That's it. Ano namang masama kung hindi kami makaka-explain yan? Ano namang masama kung we cannot answer that as long as we don't believe your claim? Right? So, another comment of a people who believe in God, another comment of them about atheist or atheism is a bad people because you don't believe God and you are free to do wrong, they are free to do evilness. No, actually hindi kami gustong gumagawa ng masama. Does it mean we don't believe God? We don't believe goodness, we don't believe love, we don't believe compassion, we don't believe kindness. We also believe love, kindness, compassion, or goodness. You know what guys? We are doing good comes from our empathy, comes from our emotion, not comes from your, not unlike your belief, unlike your doctrines, that you are not doing, you don't like to do bad, you don't like to do evilness, that because there is a punishment, no, which is called hell. Kung nalaman nyo lang kung walang impyerno, siguro gumagawa kayo ng masama kasi walang impyerno. Takot lang kayo gumagawa ng masama dahil may punishment. Ibig sabihin, kung walang punishment, gumagawa kayo ng masama. So, you are the most dangerous people in the world, as a matter of fact. So, that's it. And then, we are doing good because of what I mean is our empathy. And we don't like to do bad because of our conscience. So, yan. Hindi kami gumagawa ng masama dahil sa aming konsensya. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi kami gumagawa sa dahil takot kami sa punishment. Well, we also afraid the punishment of our government, which is a system of our government which is called law. So, yun, takot kami sa mga batas. Tapos, may konsensya kami. We are the same human being. If you are a normal person, you have an empathy, you have a conscience, you have an emotion, you have an intellect to think what is right, what is wrong. It depends on you how you deal it, how you manage it. That because, as a matter of fact, we don't need religion to guide ourselves. We don't need God to control ourselves to be good. We have own intellect and emotion, which to determine what is right, what is wrong, what is bad, what is good. That's it, guys. If you don't know how to be good without God, if you don't know how to be good without control yourself, which is you are not a human, you are like a robot. That's it. As a matter of fact, you are a robot. That because you cannot do good, you cannot do you cannot do your kindness if no God control with you, if there's no guidance, no, mali kayo. And then guys, marami ding sasabihin, may mga din, another comment of people, another comment of mga believers about atheism is, we are Illuminati. And in fact, Illuminati is wala na nga kasi siguro yun ngayon. Noon pa lang yun na gawa ng mga Illuminati. I don't know. Basta yung Illuminati is a kind of an organization. And then yung Illuminati in the meaning, in the definition of the waves, the Google, or what do you mean, that Wikipedia, which is the enlightened, yun, I cannot explain that, and then Illuminati is hindi para, wala namang masama sa Illuminati, and then hindi kami Illuminati, right? We are just don't believe, we just don't believe your claim. We don't believe God, we don't believe Bible, we don't believe any belief, any superstitious belief. That's it. Wala lang. And then yung tinatawag ng 666 is just invented by the religion, no? Mga inimbento lang yan ng mga relihiyon, mga religious people. Alam nyo kasi yung mga paniniwala nyo, mga nonsense kasi, gawa-gawa lang kayo ng mga istorya, tapos yun, you are directly to believe without checking, without What I mean is, ano, na mental block na talaga ako ata. I mean, without checking, hindi nyo, ano ba yun? Na mental block ata ako. Ano ba to? Okay, guys, that's it. Alam nyo, I control myself to be relaxed, cool. Kasi masyado akong madali akong magalit, madali akong mairita, lalo na sa mga taong mapanghusga, yung mga hypocrite. The most hypocritical people are religious people, yung mga taong naniwala sa Diyos, yung bait-baitan, mga judgmental lang pala, mga bobo, ignorante. Pasensya na. So guys, marami pa sana akong sasabihin, pero from now I do not know why, kasi yung na-mental block ako talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Nakalimutan ko yung mga term. I don't know why. And so dito na lang ako. Stop muna ako. Okay? Bye-bye. Anyway, wala akong pakialam kung walang maniwala sa akin. I don't care if you don't believe me. I don't care if you really hate me. As long as I can express my feelings being an atheist, I can express our reason. That's it. Okay, bye-bye.